This is a 2018 Harley Davidson Ultra Classic Limited. This is the limited edition. This bike is in showroom condition. No dents, no scratches, no scuffs, no chips. Just absolutely beautiful low mileage bike. The color of this Ultra Limited is Wicked Red and Twisted Cherry. It's a really nice metallic color out in the sun. This bike has 4,160 original miles on the odometer, so it is not even broke in yet. It is a Rushmore bike, so it does have the completely redesigned frame, front end, suspension, redesigned front Batwing Fairing with the vent. The better improved aerodynamics help with the buffeting for the rider and also the passenger. Nice bright LED headlight, LED driving lights, LED fender tip light. It's equipped with the Milwaukee 8 107 cubic inch engine. Mated to the 6-speed transmission. An absolutely great combination for a touring bike. The exhaust system on it is stock. The intake is also stock. It has cruise control. The smart security system with the 2 keys, 2 key fobs. Of course, ABS brakes. The redesigned saddlebags, redesigned Tour Pak, premium luggage rack. There's a 12-volt power point in the Tour Pak and also one on the dash. This bike is equipped with the Harley Davidson luggage for the Tour Pak and also the saddlebags. One nice option that has been added is a Tour Pak Lid organizer. Great for putting all your small gear in. Being the limited model, it has the 6.5-inch boom stereo system. It has Bluetooth, AM, FM, navigation. It has a color touch screen. Can also be controlled by the hand controls. There's a hidden compartment on the dash just to the right of the stereo where you can put your phone or your iPod to charge it and also to interface with the stereo system, and keeps it out of sight and out of the weather. Pop-up gas cap. Nice chrome contrast wheels. This bike is just in perfect condition. There's just no flaws on it at all. Great looking touring bike. The Harley Davidson Chrome Windshield Trim has been added. It has heated grips. Great for fall riding or winter riding. Hydraulic clutch. market for a new touring bike for the summer and fall riding season, take a really good look at this like new 2018 Ultra Classic Limited. Beautiful two-tone paint job, low miles, and price to sell. Don't get stuck paying MSRP, setup charges, freight charges, all the other mystery fees that seem to get tacked on to a new bike at the big boutique dealerships. Save yourself thousands of dollars. Use those on your next road trip or to accessorize this beauty. For information on how to put this beautiful bike in your garage, please call Will at Dream Cycles USA. Be reached at 417-343-3696. Can also be found on the web at www.dreamcyclesusa.com. Thank you.